Roblox promo codes unlock free items, accessories, and avatar upgrades. Here's how to redeem them on your computer. First, you need to go ahead and visit the Roblox promo code page. So open a web browser like Chrome or Edge, then go to the official Roblox promo code redemption page. Or you can go to the Roblox official website, then go to gift cards option from the left hand side of the menu. Here, go to redeem card option that is in the top right corner of your screen. A box will appear where you can go ahead and enter your code, type or paste the promo code that you want to redeem in this box, then tap on redeem, which is highlighted in white color in the bottom. Check if the code worked. And if the code is valid, you will see a success message. The item will be added to your inventory. And if the code is invalid or expired, you'll receive an error message. Remember that Roblox promo codes don't last forever, so use them quickly and only use official codes from Roblox events, social media, or trusted partners. Promo codes can give you hats, accessories, or other gifts. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.